They say a clean home is a happy home. But what about one that smells divine all the time? Not just after a deep clean, not just when guests are coming, but always. The kind of scent that hugs you at the door, whispers comfort in every corner, and makes people say, "What's your secret?" Well, today, we're lifting the curtain. From overlooked nooks to scent rituals only the pros know. Rustic Pantry brings you the real, raw, and practical cleaning secrets that'll make your home smell amazing. Always. No fluff, just tried and true tips that work. The forgotten corners that traps stink. Most people don't notice it. Not at first. But the smell that seems to float in your living room or bedroom, it's coming from somewhere odd. Somewhere ignored. Professionals? They look behind the furniture. Underneath too. Places like the back of your TV unit, or the top of cabinets, or even that tiny crack between your fridge and wall. Those areas gather dust, grease, pet hair. And yep, smell. It's not just about vacuuming. It's about lifting, shifting, finding what's been sitting undisturbed for years maybe. They clean those spaces with vinegar damp cloths, add a dash of lemon oil sometimes. And suddenly, it's like your whole house breathes different. No fancy air freshener can beat that kind of raw reset. It's labor, but it's scent magic. Those corners? They hold stories of neglect. Clean them. Let them go. The morning reset, a ritual, not a chore. Every day starts with stale air. Doesn't matter how clean your home is. Overnight, the scent gets trapped. Professionals treat morning air like expired perfume. It needs airing out. They crack open the windows. Even in winter, 10 minutes. That's all. The cold air bites, but it works. Then comes the warm towel. A drop of lavender oil rubbed onto door handles and pillow edges. It's weird, but it works. You don't even notice it immediately. But by afternoon, someone walks in and goes, "What's that smell?" And you smile, because you didn't spray anything. You didn't light a candle. You built it. Slowly, repeatedly, morning by morning. This isn't just cleaning. It's a ritual, a scent rebirth. Laundry that smells like a dream. Clean laundry isn't enough. It should smell like a fresh breeze. Like summer if you want, or a forest in October. But what most folks don't realize, the machine stinks first. Inside the drum, the filter, even the detergent drawer. So pros clean that up first. They run an empty hot wash with vinegar and baking soda. Then comes the scent layering. Scented detergent, sure, but they also add a few drops of essential oil to dryer balls. Real cotton, not the fake dryer sheets that leave sticky residue. And sometimes they iron sheets with rose water. Not every time, just when it matters. Imagine crawling into a bed that smells like a blooming garden. That's no accident. That's laundry done like art. Every fold tells a story. Pets and their unspoken odors. Let's be real. We love our pets, but they stink. No offense. Dogs, cats, even those cute rabbits. Every single one adds a layer of scent to your home. Most people get used to it. Nose blind, they call it. Pros don't. They use washable pet beds. Always. And those beds? Washed weekly, with a splash of vinegar and pet-safe oils. The floors? Vacuum daily with HEPA filters. But here's the wild part. Pros wipe pets down. After walks. After naps. A damp cloth with a touch of lavender hydrosol. Not perfume, just freshness. And litter boxes? Oh, they clean under them too. Every time, because that's where the hidden smells lurk. Pet-friendly doesn't have to mean nose-numb. You can love your animals and still have a home that smells heavenly. Fridge smells that sneak around. The fridge is quiet, but leaks scent. Cold meat, onions, old sauces, they mix into a strange, invisible fog. You don't smell it inside, but open that door, close it, and boom, it escapes. Pros know this. That's why they clean the fridge more than you think. Every 2 weeks. Not just wipe shelves. They remove everything. Scrub with a mix of water, lemon juice, and a touch of salt. Salt scrubs odors. It's old school. Works like a charm. They dry every part. Add a small bowl of baking soda. And if they're extra clever, a few orange peels in the crisper. It's silent magic. The whole kitchen breathes better. You'd never guess it came from the fridge. But it does. Always does. Garbage disposal. The real villain. It's tiny, but it rots. The garbage disposal might be the smallest machine in your kitchen, but boy, it holds the biggest stink. Pros? They don't ignore it. They fight back. Ice cubes with lemon rinds. Tossed in. Run it. The blades sharpen and the citrus scrubs. But that's just part one. Then they pour in baking soda and white vinegar. Let fizz. Let dance. Rinse with boiling water. The result? Silence. Clean silence. No sour whiff when the sink's empty. Just clean. Like it never existed. Like the stink was just a bad dream. You can't see the disposal. But when it's clean, you smell everything else better. Like unlocking a door. Books, papers, and that old library smell. Paper holds memories. And odors. Pros walk into homes and they can smell history. Old books, dusty photo albums, forgotten stacks of mail, they whisper in scent. It's not always bad, but it's heavy, so they air out libraries. Once a month, they fan pages open, clean shelves, use brushes on spines. A small bowl of baking soda behind the books works wonders. Or a dish of rice with clove buds. It's slow release, gentle, and if there's a drawer full of old letters, slip in a cotton ball soaked with cedarwood oil. Not strong, just a breath. Suddenly, the space feels like memory, not must. That's the difference. Professionals don't erase the past. They just help it smell better. The secret of bathroom towels. Bathroom towels lie. They look clean, but after 3 days, they stink. Slightly. Dampness breeds that. You don't notice it till it's too late. Pros beat that cycle. They never reuse towels past the 3rd day. Ever. And when they wash, they use vinegar during rinse. Not just detergent. Fabric softener? Nah, that traps stink later. They dry towels fully. Hang them outside when they can. Sun bleaches scent. Kills bacteria. If they're feeling fancy, they'll iron the towels with scented water. Not needed, but oh, it feels like a hotel spa. Crisp, warm, soft. You don't know luxury till you dry your face with a towel that smells like bergamot and eucalyptus. It's not about being rich. It's about being smart, being thoughtful. That's professional. Baseboards, light switches, and the air they hold. You touch them every day. Light switches, baseboards near your shoes. But when was the last time you cleaned them? That's where scent hides. Dirt too. Professionals? They carry small brushes, like toothbrushes, and they scrub those areas weekly. Spray a mix of rubbing alcohol and mint oil. Clean, disinfected, and minty. Sounds extra? Maybe. But here's the truth. Every time you brush past, your nose catches it. Just for a second. That's what they're counting on. Subtle wins. Invisible upgrades. The kind of clean that doesn't shout. It whispers. That's class. That's craft. Final touch, your signature scent. This is where professionals stop being cleaners and start being scent artists. They choose one scent. Just one. A blend, maybe vanilla and cedar, or bergamot and tea leaves. And they use it everywhere. Not strong, just a touch. In the mop water, in the diffuser, in a candle tucked on a shelf, on a towel, on the couch edge. Over time, it becomes yours. People walk in and say, "This house smells like you." That's not accident. That's intention. That's power. Smell is memory. Make it unforgettable. Make it your signature. So now you know, it's not about spraying the air or masking odors. It's about intention, about finding the places where smell hides and making them sing. These aren't trends. They're timeless secrets passed down, perfected by those who know what a true home should feel like. At Rustic Pantry, we believe your space should smell like your story. Fresh, warm, inviting. If this helped you, stay with us. More secrets, more soul, all things home, done the old-fashioned way but better. See you next time. And until then, keep it clean, keep it cozy, keep it rustic.